Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota RAV4. This car have a problem P268115 engine colon bypass valve circuit short battery or open. So today I will show you in this car where is the engine colon bypass valve. Okay, where is the location? See, you can see here this is the engine room. This RAV4 car. Okay, so here you can see this one two hose pipe is there, which is water pipe, and this one engine coolant bypass valve. Okay, if your car have same fault, you need to replace this coolant valve. Okay, cause many car have same problem. Due to this problem, your cluster inside warning light came like engine maintenance like this. So if your car have same problem, replace this air coolant bypass valve. Okay, thank you.